Hey, in front of me is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app permissions on this device. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down and click on Privacy section. Over here. After that, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like Contacts. Then click on one of your apps. I will go Chrome and select the best option for you, allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so I have to click on it, tap on the back button, and as you can see, after that, Chrome just gained access to my device's contacts. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, calendar. Now click on See All Calendar Permissions instead, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!